This is an excerpt of a recent Power Up webinar on creating cool effects in Motion 5. In this excerpt, I'll show you how to do motion tracking. What we have here is a bighorn sheep. And a bighorn sheep looks at us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create up here, I'm going to create a piece of text, and it's going to say bighorn sheep. Enter. Scale it up just a bit. Too much, right about there. All right. Now I want to motion track that. Well, let's just add a drop shadow. Inspector. Scroll down, drop shadow. There we go. Make it a little bit easier to see. 90. And we now have bighorn sheep. It's not art, but I discovered it's the only piece of video that I have where something actually moves. So where's my playhead? Hit the home key, type the letter I. Just in case you wondered, does he ever make a mistake? I'm really surprised if I ever get it right, actually. So bighorn sheep needs to move. I want to have it start right up there. Now to motion track, we select our video here, go to the behaviors menu, go to where it says motion tracking and say match move. Well, of course, I've done it wrong, so let me show you how you do it right. You always apply match move to that which you want to move, which is our text. I have, with complete skill, applied it to the wrong thing. Simply grab your effect and drop it on top of what you want to apply the effect to. Match move. Select it. Notice that it automatically, because it's on the text, it automatically says there's only two pieces of video here. There's the text. Whatever is not the text must be what my source is, and that's right. There's my source. If you look up here, it's kind of hard to see. There is a red dot. If you click the red dot, that's the tracking dot. Find something which is clearly defined, which is the corner of the bighorn sheep's mouth right there. And what I want to do is I want to track that corner. You're looking for something which is clearly defined, high contrast, and always in the frame the entire time. Then, once you've found that tracking dot, if you're only going to check for positions left, up and down, left and right, you only need to analyze for horizontal. But if you need to analyze for scale and rotation, it'll give you two tracking dots. You put them on two objects clearly defined, fairly widely separated, and always in frame the entire time, and click Analyze. It now goes through and watches the edge of the sheep's mouth as the sheep slowly turns. Watch what happens. It's going to draw a little path from the starting position to the ending position. And we've just built that motion track. It's going to take a little bit more time to get that built, but we've created the motion track. So now what's going to happen in just a second is we're going to motion track the word bighorn sheep, so as the sheep turns its head, the word bighorn sheep is going to move with it. Have to wait for the analysis to stop. It's done. Okay, everybody back in the, and I'll grab my text, drag it down where I want it to go, right about there, and let's play it and see what happens. Ta-da! Look at that. And if we wanted to set the bighorn sheep somewhere else, say under his face, so it goes like that, it would disappear from the frame because you can see the motion path it's going to have. But look at this. As he turns, look at that. Isn't that cool? If you're looking for ways to stretch your training dollars, a subscription membership to our video training library can save you money. You can access all our videos for a low monthly price of only $19.99. This means you've got access to more than 500 movies, dozens of hours of training, all in-depth, all up-to-date. Plus, members can attend any of our Power Up webinars for free. Our training covers Apple and Adobe software. We update it every week, and for more information, visit larryjordan.biz/subscriptions. This has been an excerpt of a recent Power Up webinar covering cool effects inside Motion 5. For the complete version of this online training, please visit our store at larryjordan.biz/store and look for Webinar 94. Thanks.